Hi, my name is Scott Scribner, and welcome to another NASE Minute. Today I want to answer a question I often get, and that is, how do I get started in real estate investing? And do I need to be a licensed realtor in order to do so? Well, you certainly do not need to be a licensed realtor in order to be active in real estate investing. Flipping homes, purchasing foreclosures, or acquiring properties via delinquent tax liens can all be accomplished without a real estate license. However, it can be extremely helpful to engage an experienced and licensed real estate agent to help you along the way. Keep in mind, though, the most important thing that you can do for your success in real estate investing would be to find a great mentor, someone who has experience in the type of investing you're focused on and is willing to help you learn and grow along the way. I will offer my own experience as an example. I had always been interested in real estate investing, but really had no idea on how to start. I was fortunate enough to connect with a local real estate investor who mentored me. In the beginning, I was not licensed, but was willing to help find foreclosed properties for the investor. He taught me how to get started and then later compensated me for helping find these potential investment opportunities. Eventually, we became business partners and bought and sold many homes over the years. I suggest you begin to research in your own area. A good place to start would be to contact some of your local real estate brokers. Chances are, in each brokerage, there's at least one or two agents that works with investors. I would recommend you contact these investors and offer to buy them a lunch or a cup of coffee. Find out how they first became investors and what steps they suggest you take in order to begin your journey. What I have found over the years is that most successful investors are the ones willing to hustle and always are learning based. They also appreciate helping those who show some drive and initiative. And remember, this is a great time for you to be that person. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon for another NASE Minute.